say you are going to give up. Keep on keeping on. Cause one year. And I made your brains in. I made your brain. There be your brandy bemobia. Whatever life gives you, accept it. What I say. But men paba also don't give up. You need to be strong and act like you are okay. I told out to me that in your brabo be oh Charlie, yeah, cool. Charlie, and me came. Wash your show pursue to be any doubt be a maza or that or the wash your tie any starchy pumping and I'm groom. Oh my obia. Meanwhile, and your man kuyi, but you are acting like it's okay. And no. Kakra kosukura odai sunu musa niadia, and with a positive attitude obe koswa by the time you realize no you come out positively bibia be kama etodana eniema ba ku mienu miensa bi nko ye na o may take the best part of you na fe why wanim bosa when nya wanim so onam wani ase ube wuani. I don't know if what realizes how they are. So you almost say bobo bebre ni sana sometimes helpers doesn't even want to come your way. Obi hu nkura na person, but wear a smile. Put a smile on your face. Ma so that you'll be approachable. Obi on one said brand ni e twa no man ti no hia no kura said why no kura e bi kura nka obetimi abo nipa no kura, but Charlie you feel some way. Me kai se me call workshop biase ana omo ya de ma me ana me tika mudin, then a young lady came by. And obisa fita for no workshop or obisa we and the man can the power unto be and the I fita for no obia so move almost but the girl was smiling. What say oh ya young girl na wa na ne ba hye na chi awie mu no so okutu no there and munto mam na na makutu the power no wasre oh ya no wasre na fita for ya femi jo am hwege ani din na collation na chi na wie obo ya and I'm a friend. And me pe kakra man was ahina me to nam zo there be onje eno o say medini ne to skaram dia man be ni ne to ku me agutuna na nam zo there be there o onje we na onfa bi nto aduane ma ne ba no I feel bra we dey one mama friend nam zo there be me pe spirit ne pa the way I we said the osre no keep on smiling cause one stress why no see you me das yeah. But you see, Obi also be who said the wire no crown, why in the name crowd, who crowds was alcohol ben and pro crack or boy, be crowd, or Chambico or bibi. But somebody who is laughing, who is smiling with, you don't expect only back be do at them. I mean, they make case, I mean, wow. Somebody who is wearing a smile when you pan or three and crown and him when you are approaching such a person. Wouldn't say be our casa no one can say ye crown at least a bay kaka, but Obi a woman anymore when I say is a na me nko kan bi no chan koko di matem you see that thing and you say obi mpo men mpo na waboa. That is why the message is telling us this afternoon say oh dear se niam ni nko yie mpokura na o say be strong and act like you are okay. O dey cause act say you okay. What you say ye with a positive attitude, and once you are still holding on to your dreams now go so to so na mo no minua enka o sa ada wo situation e besesa weather ne besesa ye why kakra bibia be fine. Your first that is my bright garlic plus capsules kama if you Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic na nedwumo ye ne say improve your blood circulation and make you intimidia free ye kama pa na e boost your appetite mo timi tie aduane di nya so fa so my immune system so ye den e check cholesterol na fe blood pressure na sugar levels ni na de to din create some my bright soldier capsules no libido no bema chese well enhanced come up na sexual weakness na if your waist pains near the low sperm count na e be na deal with it come up Ubenya bia to Kings work about kanshi drug lane afi Hallow Seba so kanshi wa and tena shops in across the country Tribe of Judah and so kaswa and yes I call Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic do be here bia sabeka sanso abitimi afre 0243 983 906 and 0261 651 898 as they do yemfa Emma MTN. And they were 25 years. Noguzua is celebrating the 25th anniversary. The 17 wakofa MTN at 25 mega promo. Ediaba promo we no emuye na ninda se oba bi dika Sonata 2021 di bako Emma Komako 25 into year ward and Kwande Abinya ba you. Cause we use MTN number no fa kasa fa test fa browse use MTN app no plus app no momo no so cause we use no gain more points no wetimi nya kai mu ba ko person show Jenny na say wetimi win big on MTN there star 156 hash na wona wo no everywhere you go terms and conditions apply ya no action so as they do your farmer door master and Pobima Paint Depot Pacho Sebra never enjoy 5 to 10% discount on quality security doors with Turkish, German and Italian technology. Yeah, just say no ebetimi abwa ye pa. Your exterior steel security doors, internal steel security doors, bulletproof doors, armored doors, bathroom doors, flash doors, glass doors, wooden metal doors, wooden panel doors, and no price no edda form. Paint your firm so your partner with News Paint. Yeah, ne yeah more man for a year quality Euro standard news paint. Na shishene dia ba your friend paint now pay later. Churches, schools, hospitals, offices, government institutions, individuals, real estate developers. Mo magic paint, mo fan painting mo facilities no. Yen spread this kind of mamo. Mo tweet kakra. Ewa brain for interest biya. Ento so emamo. And a big mix machine no. It may make it over 10,000 colors delivering with precision your color preference. Frame was 0542 745 222 050 021 2447. Ubemi echa kwan wo Pobima on the Accra Kumasi Highway. Yo Pobima toll booth wana ujina toll booth mu a wani tua yen shop no bra na yenye business. Abusua yen fa we entwi aminim kitua bi na face Scott and far around the world in 5 minutes. Emre Papa. Hey, you know, friend, high life, no. Hey. To the beats, to the beats, to the beats, to the beats. Hey. This one is called Kesi Menim by Chicken Cheese. Me a Kesi Menim. We waste me time or no. We be me a my wiki. We are now. But you are no I'm mama. Come on. And I guess I will be so to be struggling man. Obedu zika manaka do Afro guess I will be so struggling man. Wasting me time. A man on the side and so bad. Afro boys are wabe, some power some China wire, change, where you bet you are. Say feeling here deep dear. And na yanko around the world in 5 minutes with says cults. Yeah, man. We are mushi ho. I want to say wawa. Say wawa. Say wawa. Say wawa. Say wawa. Say wawa. Says hot, bra Jerry. Says hot, bra Jerry. Akwaba minia.
Ye ni abra peni.
Na empom te sen.
Nyame adom. Dia keni na wo.
Ye de nyame ase. Me so me ho ye pa adom nti.
Me se vota na nso ekoyi pa.
Bibia ye kama pa. Nti say weekend here be mo be sponsor me na makoba fufuro dia.
Wan.
Nyamo anya sa de na weekend ye be tema weekend.
Brother,
voter is nice. What I say? Who say? Oh, I cry show. Say, Ufia now cover for Charlie the Greens, Charlie. Who say? What Dana Cromu ye? Oh, me crowd say yeah, Charlie. Charlie.
Yes.
Oh, I know say
now when
pollution does
my option.
There be any part of dona say kwaku guy. It's no kwahwe now kwadi ho mi say kwosumi na fe wa ma bi pe on be ka say kan oh Ghana force de o ma no de ntino na say mi twa so ka bo so on be kwakopuli no abom oh even as I said we said we should use you and then really listen up so
na come chance aba
oh yeah yeah na mi twa so na me pe every time
and then one at ye o honto
if you apoku akra ko comment o say hey Jerry obe kofia kofina kofu o time pedware so kofu o pesu mi no ra ti wa nam so nyere enam twa so boko ndi boni bi eni akiri
ya da yam yase bradery
yeah
and then Benis Kumiwa Ajiman ne be
Benis Kumiwa
Ajiman ne birthday
okay
it me wish a happy birthday.
Okay.
Mese nyankopon ye na kuma so ade ma no.
Okay.
This is from Sir Scott.
All right. And you na greet you afenso say ne osofo maame with the swag. Mrs. Faustina Ama Ajiman aka Mama G ewo Banner of Grace Ministries Dowenya. And also wish you know happy birthday do belated.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. And by kind Kessie.
Ginny food. Sharp.
Ginny sunflower cooking oil. Ginny rice. Ginny mayonnaise. Ginny milk. Ginny sardine. Food product I would be for when each day. Me say open do it to what they offer onim. Or say offer na okase says quarter or betos. To the offer bomidin media promo code.
That is see and udina a bargaining power.
I bear promo code.
That is a and no yes a Scott discount.
Yes.
Okay.
Me pajo metia adumo says Scott na say me na what also. It is 0540.
Good.
108 531. 0540.
Charlie, let me say what the number new numbers new
531. Fregini food or say Emma if ye a day. Keke.
Let me say Encolano. Just a try no more because they had 9 days. Sisiana, me who message you are Rita Netty or say Bradery, come and see my 1-year-old son dancing. Hey, Junior, see what no.
Some guy just a
Encolano. See what our names Encolana Jaffa because so far mpanifo be hia me na omunya pe no mu na ebinom wom so na ayi me grandson ni na me granddaughter we am so na me bay na we am sa
no obi nkoye jesi mra nko akotwere se
na unim say guy no obisa me say manage one and I'm so enkenya bad mu but unfortunately jesi no me sha me nsa emfitim ntino
the aye dey say
emia me pa me sha na me tete emia me arms no iswa na kesa nkoma me size kese what try see wa was na there but anka me sha nkakra
but say wo kan so wati o ntino
ene say obefu fra be musu why not
ntino me kan say wati
enche bi akra be ko work ye ko anka ma hye ne kama
mo
yeah
Brother, I feel no BTA and for can we welcome
let's welcome them. Okay. Let's welcome them. Yeah.
Welcome to Africa, where women respect their pastors more than their husbands.
Good.
You are welcome. You are welcome. Cheating is for married couples. The rest of us are just looking for the right person.
What's it?
Missy cheating is for married couples. The rest of us are just looking for the right person.
Oh, okay.
Stupidity is when you have a beautiful wife in the house and you are receiving insults from a small girl called your side chick. That's absolutely stupidity. Your wife will be totally naked. She will not be attracted to you. A small girl, bra, ubehu. Now what the wow, my brother. What is the color of your problem?
Or the day, wow.
I know the wow. Who Facebook? Wow, you look beautiful. And so, wife, you naked the crowd won't carry. Won't carry. On carry.
Yeah,
brother.
Yeah.
Sometimes your ex asks money from you. Just to see if the situation she left you in, you are still in it or not.
Hey, Padina Bao. I'll say, Nana ya hazard.
Okay.
Yes, you know. Also, I am here. What size do you want for the Jesse? Nana.
Extra large.
I just say, oh, me, I can't say, oh,
so okay, extra large. Extra large.
There be extra large. It depends on where it is coming from. Me go for America extra large. I ask them, and China extra large. No, me small. What I say, you know. So which is which? What I say? Yeah,
I brand you wouldn't to as
oh, but Mininia.
No.
Me that be minimum, but like. If I see it,
okay.
And now the mommy there, okay, the extra large. How the extra large, the Fabra, the extra large. Or the banana China extra large there.
Mammy too kind.
Baba, yeah, a good guy. He's a good guy. Yeah. Oh, for someone to have that thing in mind, say obey for the crew near dinner or church man for dingo HD. And there were numbers too. Mente say or say or the obia ne birth month and number no the year. It me the say I was born in February, me the 2 like
okay.
So what I say into you me the why say wa 2 into say February. What I say into if also a January out there be 1 or a March out there be 3 he's a good guy.
Next year say Papa say
so you know the na I advert kakra man no
there very necessary. Very necessary. Very necessary. Brother mami tu kwan kakra. Na meti assembly. Yes Burundi president wasake ni ministers bi. Those were side check wasake what
wasake
who a minister now was side check or best
yeah I think I heard it. Yeah.
What
I me.
Okay, so president Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo how far? You be say how far?
We are not from Baba.
Debbie, oh, you be say how far?
Okay.
Zanka the ministers you be ananka ya. I hear Becca. Ana okay, Ghana dey be omo ntesa.
Okay.
Me jeje wo. I be am go masam so.
They can go anywhere.
Ni na kan wo first one. Young go teacher bi. Wa resign yefi na adwuma mu.
Teacher na resign.
Ai na woni me de ntia.
There be.
Oko US a California. California.
Cali.
Oh my God, Cali. The essence is a anyway. Black students are almost or say they don't deserve to be in his class. A constitutional and ka odiomo beye crea e wo na efu. Yes, enya baako.
Hey. Asemfu apa okan no.
Papa.
Heavy papa.
Wow. Ena ekoba ye no. Ena eja yesi bo ehun koba asem no no ase pa no otwa no edwuma no ma eden.
Me de ato.
Ai. Send ye ebeba ni CV mu say ya yi na didie.
Ene obe resign.
Ena ende odi na edwuma no ato.
Wow.
Na mi wie ye no ena mi nya akọ bi. Nwanya eko.
Convict music.
Yeah, I don't know boy. Latino.
There you Ekon now to Nazan.
Na Ekon remember.
And you men outside on a zero.
Oh, Ekon, oh no boy.
A day, and you been to be in a way. Or they turn away.
In fact, and you mean a minimum to by new way. I don't let you know. Beautiful.
Hey. You know now how to this guy put say who is no now them
okay.
Yes. Now e konum den kan kai hwekranka kai ne nyum no na dey na ye
I'm a comedian, what do you expect? Some kai achi obiara. I'm a comedian, what do you expect? Now listen.
Kaka no liya ne ko e ba bie
obo lonely
Mr. Lonely,
lonely.
Yeah.
I know
nobody.
For my heart, and you will try to okay. But you can't go. I try to write. Equanum, and about Kubembium, and about Kubiso, I am the pa.
The Equanum, they blame
me. Baby, put the blame on me.
Anyway, Sanum not cry or yeah for Okoye show, and there was a minor alcohol. Club Nibi and people were bashing him no person say how was that his fault because Omwa club no more pretty no underage and say Mamba and they are there near there so why were they blaming him near there can count and not the yes
yes so put the blame on me now someone walk and say our friend me say house car I'm surprised who is this once I mention Australia and I'm tonight in Tino one me be camera for a match hon kakra Onko bi na no a o say tama na oye po no na o we ni die mu sense obenye iska
really
sama work and the question of the day when in the yard was it when you are poor who we ni die mu sen say wo beba be famous na when iska asemo a I say unyeska there are more problems but people don't notice it. Or see there are more problems but we are poor eja ufia be for kura bel yes
yeah on that point
also aka
yeah
I don't know
okay
mediasi
okay
me ko ima menka asamonchire we if your brother is still generous to your family after marriage, thank his wife.
If your brother
is still generous to your family after marriage, thank his wife.
Yeah. It is true.
It's true, eh?
Yeah.
Good. That's the one
it is true. Oh, one day, and money be wa me ama huntino.
Wafem. If you want respect in life, get money. Nobody is interested in your age.
Okay.
Meeting at the sex court. Instagram. I say _Scott_official. Follow me there.
Okay.
Scott no be besides say spelling saying SCOTT. Follow me.
Okay.
Oko achimoda ye fake Ruby KJB na just woka na weje French ni beka cho say Jevel Capel na just what tete day.
When betcho.
Ya betcho.
When chun so when bebo.
There be a
kwan bia so when bebo.
Macra Brajery.
Yeah, that's it. All right, so that was around the world in 5 minutes with Scott. Yes, you wanna fear the irrigated sports at Twaso. Here on 106.3 Adom FM. Choba. Tia Hanson, no Tia Hanson. I feel to your baseline.
OfieKwanso with the me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
About church channel so say yeah the 12th edition of the EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair na April. Nyame Adom from Wednesday the 27th to Sunday the 31st of October 2021, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. daily. Baswell Accra International Conference Center. There's going to be lots of activities and giveaways at the fair. With me, I join or in social media platforms now, so with the hashtag Joy Habitat Fair. Don't forget, it is brought to you in partnership with EcoBank, the Pan-African Bank, and also powered by the Plant City Extension Project from Cities and Habitats, Rent to Own, and sponsored by Elegant Homes and General Construction, where quality meets value. DBS Industries Limited, we truly are your roof experts. Duraplast, where Duraplast goes, water flows. Renters Paradise, we help people and properties find each other. And then finally, Gold Key Properties, building prestige since 1997. The EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair, everything housing. You want me boy, I'm going to bet you here. Over there, everyone wants to say, and you in there, what I. Oh, then you could say, there is a way, walk up round. Dear, you ain't catching say, now, or Mark one jack, I crave you anymore. Sorry, they I don't know. Papa, I'm training now because your man pretty for Casara, you query.
Well. Please, Irrigated Sports. A perfect program, perfect engaging, and perfect unexpected. Irrigated Sports. Papa. So listen to Irrigated Stop. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
Thank you too. Safu Kumchacha.
My name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listing Alligators Sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
Amen. Sisi.
Other from within this Sisi Chum. That they be a irrigated sports. There's no day minty irrigated because me tia manage na me stress
Good. Over.
The open program one dedication fast sports one tie irrigated sports Adom 106.3 FM. The famous John.
Mo Kwame Akwaba.
Akubejoso.
Na I want to say.
Ajana do we tempo anu die kwakuni atianwam.
Yeah, the nyame ase. Ade agu Akwaba. Na I want to say. Na Akwaba na anyo so. Ade na wokunko.
Osonyu na oboy no dia. Esese wo san.
Na minim se wo banka me yifi. Mu se enu no bo me hu ya na ate ho. Pati ase. Enye se wo ha na me start enu no bo da dance ho ba.
Teacher bia na na hwene abo kakra na. Akwala bi o che na ade no, wa che na ade mo na twam kura na ohia no na. Ose ase me kai wo ba bi. Ahifan. Ose ono na o che ade na no kai se hey. Ese teacher no ka se no na bo ni.
Wano okawa.
na waso abɔ no
oye otwa wa na ni bi no se akwara na
wani bonnet tezi so
wela se ma ku bi so na akwara o school no na omo frɛ no odokunu na odokunu omo ga na ya asɛm na okoye na omo e announce o school say wo abɛfrɛ no odokunu bia no ye be yiwadi so at orokodo wo abɛfrɛ no odokunu bia no ye be yiwadi eti why say wa be kan odokunu no ye be yiwadi so what you say eti eyi die dum na no na boy baako ono ohia na no na o ye say o de be giro nti wa pe no kai say no punishment da so nti ono di kan ba na pe no ene be si nti no na okenke di o kan keke pe akwa ndi o so otwa wa dan
we be ma ka dokoro
e pass mo dokoro e small dokoro wo yiwadi when you wedi so o punish you
ma edi bra edi o
obi say o say Jerry who is pounding fufu over there e ba cho obi am pounding fufu omo ya construction bi omo ya yi bi akiro na enye construction enye fufu ya tie na say na yete
e se me ba ya na me
na yete
e bi ya
obi say dey one year adwuma ho one year adwuma
akwa di baba si ke di da baba nya no
oma
ya omekolo adi baba si ke di adi baba nya no a odi gina no no baba se
na bi say dey ti as you ko ba na onim say ekwan baba betimi na fast no nti afi baba kom wie say afi na ke I say my dey ya dey bi no ya
baba nkasa ko
so o di ndi o ti mu
ora dey na esini yem na anu de baba so nkasa
wo na wo dey
o ina hara watu no mama na
o de zana o si sana ntade ko
obani edin dia na okay ye house master opoku ai steady nkra na kwata wo ansana na say kwata ko pensions bi sa no be take over as house master them say kwata
house master
me say kwata e kono we say na omo ye mo kotes ne sa mu bibia no ayi
bia obeto bia
na ne board ye bi wo ho no ma tum say and na say the next ya hane ne ade no na adwen say o tu ne tokura na obesa ba bi twa
yeah
em say be na wo twem yensa koboso me ntem no sabe no akari na adwen mo ho say board no aye
do it yeah
ko senka omra mi twa board ye no emfamre no
abra ko pense wo free bangle
say opinion so ba e na em say da bra ni nanu ani nansa o sha say so o ti board ye ningom o to twanto mpo
asenso ya no
me papa de eri bi no otimi
say e utwa to e bebre ba o so na o te ne
kakaka
ya
otimi fa konua gina so na oya no wate me se bia anwana no pan sa na yo
ye akodan ne ho ba nti eduro na papa no e kwata ba no ani Mr. Dinkra gina junction no so oh what did he on papa nso ni minimum ye twa dada e bi kura fufu to ti fa boys asun no ese body ni so bi abre ti kokoto enom de kokoto Abani the whole school papa idina afa baby kokoto odi na man body do try eh na papa na ni abre
yeah
edina chini na story papa
eni abre javeri uza ayi no
edi bi musa na ete sa no se
house masters no
me ba uza sa di no musa no o bia ya amanfo bi se ho abakwasem
yes
de den ya abakwasem ni nya
house masters ye roaster mom obi aso take charge for be a whole week
master of the week
yes master of the week yes te duro so oba dining horse ana obeti an
oh
na opoku adane ho
Nipa bebe ko nwan.
aha ne bia adesiman side have emu sopa anti ofiti ye na no obi di agi nti oba betwa mu a oba ye se okotire wa ba na obi si di agi mu ha eti ode masa
se
ezo tona boys ni bia anko prep
yeah
sometime no un say ben 98 dun so bi buy
you school
dun so buy na ye wo a top un say a final years na na mo top cubicle ne ade no wo na mo top na fidie isu amu na e top na papa ekuta torch ne a umbrella oba house or no mo wa anko prep no ba jana boys ni say kokoto zonim na ofra bro say be peja to asho omo tre in no yeah it don't tre in openiza na be o jino de touch dey hwehwe manu na o say o kan itrim say enkwan de ena odan ho boko ade chia no passes no was say form telephone obi anyi ni nyoma mrafo o tue nyina abeda fo
but masters I can also when bro unim say obaku bi so
oh yeah obaku nya tiem so unim na fra brosano e be kukuru ahwe no ano
onko boys ye bi amri bi na me kan bi na it just happened say because anka normally is hard in there but not that day me my imagine say me ho I say me ho dodo me kakra nti me da me nko ena man itisi mu na wo ba no ena boys nwe na won lock don na papa ya begina gate echi ena kum si emia na mu mie so anka boys mu nye din me ja me da me bed so wa din no mu ka chenze nti de oye no de fa so pa no benya wo de oye so because afi papa so ka say boko ma wo fo no mu atua mu fees se mu mesua de no de mu wa mo ye no ha e ka say mu mi dare na mo mesen ko sua de no om say ko na atua school fees my no mo era afi o se hwe mo de sa en sorry bedru mo betro sorry na wie na mabu not na not so ko ka say bala omo nya say no sorry be na mabu not na boys ida from kwa from that day say not for papa dia very bien say not
yeah time no dey o late too much
ye bodo so koda no
Dabi we boy back bi on wada e boni din pe wan hwa na wada
say they were real school
ena we kwa na okotwene ntoma no afri no ho
that's what
na opega ni to be pega ni na boys askata ono so no we onyimfo kakra o se ka so onyimfo a so
se na ye ho ba ku ni e fe no omansa dede
eti yes and na prep time so akwanso na adwen so onko prep ena omo ha na adwen ti ena ihun se house master eba na kikiri nyina no edwane je openi da ho no o ze papa yes that event light to cry nundum no normally we call prep on be dundum light e nundum to ba e na akwanda na ozo ntuma oh jerry in back masa agwansori ya na sun so ni say boys na
nobody can hand that man bu afu and is the house master dey
oh pacho na we coffee
what is it is it disciplinary committee no
easy o asema ya make o
that's all kokra wa ga pack on man what house master
Mr. Ahmed say this is total insolence. This is total insolence. Nanim, I said, whilst I was in my room watching TV with my wife, I heard a voice, Ahmed. TV. No? I honestly, house master. I was in pause. I was now on the wife in the mic. We say, Ahmed, TV. This is total insolence.
na tita phone na o me two person di o mo do makoma
yeah
I mean say no mo pay as
me make ni re ton mo e bo 7 na wo say ko class ana say go fo ya no na say am boys so person ko di ansa na o ma ko class the time no so sound to prum o say o go gina tiro o bo prum kakra no ba what are you doing the fast in the rev now. Ubia.
So I'm not going to get money, man.
Oh, David.
Kwaku dabi aya na kotokofo nwom no omo ana freba na de me frɛ kakra de ama wo de bo oseye ni nko a miensa wajai asante kotoko oseye o sa repeat asante kotoko o bɔ me asa pa kwaku na wajai je ko ma wo pictures bi so ade amount kuma se asante kotoko
man into the boas na
am set na sign de o ka team a o ti
so etiefo ni ahwefo nyina ayi kwa me se mumra Facebook ntime se muni na chi na mumra Facebook na owie na bibia ni a pato chase
sorry am be kwa nya story
me di kan mo ate ho ase se una o twetwe eye hwerema na me kan o bo hwerema
you know what I'm going to talk about
but eno nsama wa ha o do hunya ti se kim eti usi wo kotokonyo pato fa kotokonyo ni se manu ai
kwa kuja bo ja nyu ne bo we omu dia
pato uwie yi haso fo de no
omu tene me
threaten pato uwie afa haso fo de no to the other side why
you are watching them training me. I don't come here.
And you're training.
This is not nice. But me and I'm saying, may I try for?
You go. When you the pictures,
I'm far into.
When you the pictures, I'm
you go far into. You go there for be to answer.
You go there for picture to be who story be afa home.
I for be to from the man for be to. Kaku.
Asante kotokose. Asante kotokose.
Juma
Asante kotoko. Yeah. Asante kotoko. Yeah.
So I say hana na open.
I don't know why you okay man kwaku. Na asante kotoko for ayade amagana fo nyina ani aso na bia fo nyina ani aso. Me say on say that NC an kan bia emprempre na so was sign players bebre what they ever boa a boost to a year in Crawford no towards the next league ever bo na kwaku player back or training on the or training pa na the youngest player akotokofo assign
and sa pardon the age ne sa pepe no but I don't Ghana for yes
you go the picture the mama
just say obia select you go now obia posi abranti ada yam yes
Dixon afuakwa na nimfie ne kwaku mbesa ka wa no
I'm sorry 23
what is say 23 one
me say obia posti na just jama me pe na jama me postu abra obia postu abranti ne sa
na Ghana for the kan for the osakotoko jesi ne to mama je ko tabi ko de ato ko je brabo na why picture kitikiti sa yede
o eno anu na da obia hu nye na pampa mu ya na peso eno anu na
etiefo the 23-year-old player akotokofo assign no ono na ni mfoni ada Facebook se see ya
no way before signing him
my questions
nobody
Okobuchi crack
hey no
abrochiri
23 years okobuchi na kosi akamba and boy nyami ashira no and okobuchi do 27
no
kwaku eti press ne doso de na man we na all training
yeah
yeti all training de ade nyame na betimi aka me mani ti akwa no de chese ni tinwi no me hu ba bia start
munya sa de la we
minim se na ewanim na akwa chire and I so achire ho na that is
ana if achire na ba
tinu pese me hu e ekwan ya fa so ma 23-year-old boy otimi
David ewi asimu no ye na se de yenyi no enye pepepe o
kwaku I'm
defending
you
this guy the can say be chem the other day be obi on mo a ye growth rate no dabi oh no kwame ye growth rate ni nda anye pe me say me our classmates bi no mo a kwame se me ni ejina bonten asisi na me catch on say me nyom na net classroom a o be ka se me boa e na me ken
na abawobodu kwanza
munya sare a udora munya de wero
me dia me no ba che ba dichi do
where do so no bodu
munya de
me obeni ya me beba ya ni player o de me ya mi hu no me ya me shame na me say eh yeah terrible jack and Nana you man medi mato video. But boy no you saw a very good player and when he play ni muna
and you grew near man more.
Say na first na mo dey picture eto cassette do ba cassette to amonto.
Very good player no
me so na dey tey dey make a try no. You only be hold my ban is from cassette. Esunyum na nya dey.
Uze na say kotoko omfa branding ni agro kra. She mama Fabio Gama picture ani akwande am dey abofra no so to. Kwa ku ni Fabio Gama age.
Oh yeah.
Just uhwe mu a Fabio Gama anyi pede kotoko for so much.
Fabio Bell 27 28.
Fabio Gama anyi sin new player na nso say kotoko dey branding dey suit na tie eboso. Liverpool nyama ni bi no mo ye ombom ho modern. Na uhwe Fabio Gama ye wo gina we.
Afọ na ja na sem.
Na ye say afọ akwa young say Fabio Gama ye.
No, and na me ka say yen growth rate ye na ye
wo say you wedding fe say.
Hwe Sergio akora kiti minus Sergio gina ho.
Ku say wo see obi ade na ma friend nana.
O ti kwa me hwe.
Utimi see obi ni ba bia.
Oh. And na me ke e bia e the looks. E the looks.
On return o ma bona busu apani o.
Na me ke yes.
Ye ti obi no oko police station o me man basis here. Opani aba. But opani makwa me nsre man.
Nsre no me
just last year. As the same thing. I'm so now you can once for photo the just last year. Opani abante photo in.
Kwaku ene man yi no obedi I 23 obedi
Evelino the unbreakable or say not on it abranti at the same house more is that hinsan also a small boy also akora wonu onyi has ni pay
we na mo so di 22 am from my Facebook we ase de
has ni
ye reach na kai kwaku kai ade na nipa na tworo no
or say 22 years and what koma and or say Emmanuel Neti Romero Jr.
Yeah, Romero.
Lives in my neighborhood. Just a neighborhood inside. Or say he used to send me when I was a little boy. Now I am older than him.
Minka age asebo. Obi Follow me nya minka age asebo.
The way the papa no.
Me say to fa as a young 23-year player. Na mo dey say kan.
No, you catch now say na botre na nko. Mudie, let we di 22. Enti ye ni pe che no 1 year pe. What you
say? We say man okoba ba ho no yi ya ye betre ni mo say no ye oto ne koku.
Kwa vijari
wewe. Nekati yo senya botre bi aka kore hotu.
Bakoto kwa ya die na kwa media wo de picture to de wa kan say 83 ampa na wona ko fa 80 ba you
but I want to know say if
boy no dey emo rem na so ebetimi aba say o ne 20s na mu
but akwana o send message
I can bet my $1 on it say akwa we ay more than 22 years
you know bi aka so
akwa we
I wouldn't know you know him in person
unim no
it's what in Kuruma kan na mu
bakuma me
there be obasa no pom ne kasa o mo so
yeah
na unyane na mo so wadwane
no dia o mo so afa ne ba
na
Daud oh wakasa no
wanyane na kasa
wakasa o just na wakasa o phones na
sorry
be ya o wait by ko
na so man kasa sorry na just enkoko o mu di makusam gu police ni no mu bu prison ni dwane ye na kwa gusa life family o program ye fa ni tuaye yi o na kwa me na ye kwa me o de se be kwa me akuapem brother the prison for ni dwane ye no ba ko free program no so simbi di say me tuaye yi man ko police fo na me prison ya me adom okro wadwane so no kasa o phone so the way you can still be on the run and be talking on the phone
no we required or see invite no come invite no na afi no what enjoy beko no
na just story ni tumu
also there be
also on here
no akola she said any anka akola na sem so do so
me dey say you nipa ni as much as bet my no kra bet me so say ntro because we krom ha na obi nyem ya no wonyem
but e very difficult sakwara obaro no be papa me papa ne me
na obi twempena ni nyem nyane papa da jail when you want to implement.
And Aquadano, Abonamana, and
Enquire to so dim papa.
So I bet me at it.
And Aquadano, so audio na boy, and then you'll buy a becanning in a pepper when you be a few.
I make us a bit of
Consistency. So I told you we can do a better. No, sir, try the Ucha.
What's that region? Aquala, you'll be say, yes,
opening, and say, you walk Kumasia Santico to Kohun, Komobepre, Ukremwa, Sham, and then Team B Champions League, but in New Komo Kruma, Team S. Organ as a team or co preseason with Dubai. What I say, Kumasia Santico to
Dubai, Krama, foot room over Park and Waha.
Ghana, Roberts,
baby, I'm over Dubai.
I don't know my mistake. More yachts and one share. And
just Dubai air bomb. When president in here, I come to Krama. Come on to have a board of take right.
Opening
Kwame Kasase no German Ghana pitch better boss
Meka se bia no ato aso am enfa hia nka den
kwasasem.
All right. But I see be brave.
They togo na wanya na
to back as na
me na wo yemi.
Ai na wo say
babu enfa hia nka den.
Oso dia se bebo asema ya moto bebo
fa video you to anga. Team na about Champions League now we say ye be ko Dubai de nke mfantena ha no obere hwade o moti kru mo mo ye Facebook
no dia gwara to
oleje hwade o moti kru mo mo ye
Eyes bafo se wan bia na omo ye ni
Salifu ne Patrick Razak na egina Adomara kwamu a o ma go to police for blog
I did me church so I don't know I keep explaining
this police contest no more time
police for ire no mo
no police for blog
when you blog to
blog why
Kwaku
as of folk players
Kwaku I did the same time
oh masa o cheche match o say Dubai na yakọ na nye
Arsenal players buy almost say I does be
no no kuta cheche water
Arsenal players almost say
David Grice blog
the blog is a blog
oh my
a blog is a blog Kwaku sade ya omu ye wo I make asem chiro the friend the ball wa na ya twen okrum ha no e bi na Arsenal for you
no I don't know
the ice bath
and
what you said the audio we be to just house enye no
we team mo press sponsorship ade a mo dia amu ye why na didn't see ka baba so baba sponsor the
Arsenal for no say that's be your friend that's be wa no
and no I say na no mo aye
ice dey gum ice na wo
ani a chiri say ya anti
and boys no exercise
when adia blog na dia say deodorant dey feel pa mo jira ka say Arsenal and I say
ice bath but this is not how you do it also there
how do you do it
ice bath say there no o ko sasa blog say there way
dem tutu san enem ra na ye pe wan sama kan
covid crash
adia mu je
swimming pool kwanya mu dwane
dabi anya dia kitikiti say swimming pool anya kitikiti say
you wade
Arsenal for there now can be new we onu ko an shem
Kwaku yeah mu dia
onu ko
want you ade we ntie
ni that's been e bi nie
and I'm saying to
that's been e bi nie so Arsenal for
and I'm saying to when you compare mu dey
you need ice and a space that's what they have there what's the problem
eti ori Adomara ka unti nto wan player bia
oh that day
and we dey akwai we bi a wo ye tiri we no so dey akere we
yeah so Obema no
Abeni ye team na akọ Dubai man so anti ase no anye bia ye ni eye wacha hyeto na ya e na afayebo e wo training grounds pato maro pictures bia ma hwe ade wei se kwa me wo ade te ha se enke ntra Ghana ha ye players no pato omo kọ no England national team standard ene ye rom de ma wom se ne ono atie yo kan
asa say
Mpeso nchese ye ko yanimu abrabom.
Standard England national team standard.
Yes.
Coach right so.
She England national team. Na hwe Kumasi Asante.
Oh yeah.
Oh, je ko so na je na ha se sem house ano.
Kaja TSC to na kan wasa mana.
Kaje ho TSC.
Kaja TSC to na. We are bochi.
Oya bo.
Up and down in na kwenu 150 Ghana.
Run to omo one in the ombe.
They are two. So this is England national team
And I was
as against Asante Kotoko.
Yes. Very well. Very well. Jeko afe uwia. Kotoko player no. Ukraine bag. Eko camp. Na House of Folk player no Ukraine bag eko camp no but oro no so fa to mama.
Joko men yes picture na enye kwa.
No David.
And said the house you okita you price obi akosesa besin ba David. Ma hu sa picture no.
I want to say that I come out here for plane. Where airport? Where higher airport? Airport. What do you say?
Let's offer hotel now. Openi, my main friend was some guys and them found. Why don't I know ya?
So far, yeah.
Openi, Jeko.
Yeah, me boy Koko went.
I house of going to Kwanda. Send your code to buy a cabinet once. Out of the course, I do buy a cabinet once.
Yeah,
about
some dear Helen gave it to you. Can't hear me.
Oh, I
said I gave it to you.
Go back for was a bit of a family in Colorado.
Is no an uncle for to tell
I carry day.
I carry day. Sana can go for to cry and go for
Kotoko. Training ye ne baby papa bi akwakoda. E wo Dubai memu aye dodre.
I want to remember later.
Openi. Nyame Adom House of Folk. Ene
na kwana Helena can say atade na yatwemu.
Me casa dey kwa me nyem mfa to because enya ho me ka.
Kwaku boy ko say kwa kwasa na my mobile. Kwasa na obeda hu so kokam. Obi o the airport a picture out to a picture ho.
Hotel na da no.
You're not being fair to the guy.
Basha Hotel.
You're not being fair to the guy. Where Okotokonia wakoso ande komata de etu kwa butire. Any obi on me be you to 200.
Na that time say
wait to House of Folk is going abroad. Now the picture to tom. Then we can go in away.
Ndi brand no kwai.
Uni be kwa ka the picture.
Kwa ya hine fa no ko.
Kwaku
ka kire.
Oh me ba ma me nwie story.
We are. I mean, you are update.
Guinea Bissau for omne Morocco for ekoko ball. Enanu ye World Cup qualifiers yi. Openi enyuma no mko dure dina edema we futu na ndema House of Folk. Dina edema omo no. Ade chia no pa no. Players na ni ane no.
So really.
Okay. Oma the pictures ni go.
Bombo no.
Bombo no. Na sa oni anyim yes visa obaka check up. Na enya coffee crowd we fi say ayi born ya ma Sudan for no. Etwifa so ko. Yes. Eti we ya futu ma hwe fafa to on place we anadwo no. We dey na enya ne yam ofre. Ayi Equatorial Guinea for no.
Sa enti mo ya manfo gusu ye de.
Oh yes.
Sa afana
place ni bi kra ya record at the hospital. Pacho yi sa pictures.
On nyai sa de no mo yo football.
Me be say mo hwe.
Sa oh, if we they do it all the time. North Africans no. Last year, me ba kwa gumi last na ye kan mo year. Na me ka say on be ba wi ansa mo akona me ka say na dangerous mo hwini. Na just say na e den na me kan. San crofo na ma za video na enye mo nya no dey tena hwe. Wan hwe ye nsu a mo ba no nya akra ne ade akra no mo.
Na akwa no de we o musi dododo mo ho no.
On be place wa ye.
Akasa when you buy on na or on timo kwa munye very careful
last time we
buy no obani afi me call eye Dubai eye hotel a kotokoda na kwame me be nka me run video no kakra bat yes ana say me how
video dey dos
ayi Al Basha hotel no so we dey wako Dubai a anti no
oko Dubai 4 plaza no Ala Basha ma ehun hwehwe mu Dubai Plaza
ala dey
oh is our dream boni to market
uko Dubai Plaza e ho
lo baby ankrofo kokodi holidays edi place na kogu a onye eyi no me ankasa personally kura no me ne mpanimfo nya adwe ase enyeje so no e ya do
mo ba no mbedi se munu kura mu
anuane no ne niam a omo ye no beba yo mbedi se ko fo ye tia kwawe so de eyi kunkum abo fo mo moto mi no mo bebo na
ade be shem pa kwa ko Israel be shem
e America kra we nya yi
obani iti kotoko team no o hwe eye Facebook a ade a hu fefefe we nye eyi sebe Liverpool and say Manchester United. Ayi kuma si Asante Kotoko.
Nti emone nam na
Enye nam.
I want to know.
Ani mu hwe wo sere.
Emone nam na program na.
Mesi adi wo hwe wo sere. Akonya kro mutim. Dia se na ke.
Ya kuto na bi okasem bia.
Mesi hwe akonya mutim o mudidie. Dia se na ke.
Adi akonya.
Die o na ye bo.
Enu ya ni form mo mte so ana.
Abari
Koma hotel se wa nya no. Uko wa sana sana person.
Enye hotel bia. Sana na no bo jiji ye a ye ko kan.
Uko se ya net.
Mesi jai.
Yo muni
team be free baby no ba be da campus ke chese team no level. What I say?
Yo muni mo ni di. Why? Mo de ni adidie ni akwantu. Kwa me de no se ba ko agili. What I say? Aha. Kwaku em se me promise atiefo se me mom update. I will put man. Na
ye ka se twa
ya se in radio no so ka se mtire atiefo na wa anya entai
na no ma bi makwa na mi se ho na akọ.
Ai. Enti de ko me de put man updates kakra amount. Ronto na atiefo ehwe bi. Kwaku na mo ka container sem me nka se for container nsi dan but sa ko piem wo pobi man ade a
Dabi ti container wa na container ni ho.
o ya sesa no
ba to pictures na ba ti hwe na e container
Oh Dabi na me ran
them just for them say kwaku park no mu dia so anya tef ya to ya bo na ya dua ba hu se enkrofon abrofo na jejja so no om na eye ho adwuma ya fa lebra ni kura tuntum na ode adwon bone
lebra se adwuma na ya before jack
ya before na
lebra se na ya before jack
mo hwe update no mo nya bot
Dabi asem na kan
na picture ba ku ya na be da so saa mu jira ba ji
so na chiasa kwaku yako ya bansoro na nkasa ebra adan na yesin be sam atiefo hu se enye container sam adako ja che de
tu ta container na kan
me say container
picture ba ku pe ya
Dabi yako free one kwaku de kwaku de
picture de social media na
enti we yo mu jira hu enti we
you have to poke Twitter handle pictures
enti pa to na se ne po
wo so wo akọ dia asem na kan
enti wo de na akọ no we we de ya hu social media na da
enti me say enye container e pesa me de dan de chama kwa na me tire yako unya soro ni view ni sa de to aso no yasa unya no a aha obiri e bo fanta frame de hu ni e container
da kwa me de o kan menti ase o
me bisa question ya no wait no what is I on na bi house for the phone
naka
opani we de enya pobiman
yeah go Dubai we are doing Dubai
enya pobiman kwa me enya pobiman
what's about to say also
me say enya pobiman
we pa udi nsam fo na about to say also
me no krinya me anim ni I am not taking sides, but only ending ye. You promised, say you were going there yourself, and you bring us pictures. These are not pictures from your phone. Pictures when now internet so that pictures when now internet so that. So why are you bringing us pictures that are already posted on the internet?
Do you want to
that is not what I'm saying. We've seen these pictures on the internet already. It is there. So why are you showing it again? Men show me the we you na ya share that on internet so that
who na share to be ahwe
ufie kwa lo ufie da bi no tie wanyade wanyade ufie kwanda ho kwa ho na nam kofie ubadu ho na namba and also ba obefo atwa pictures abrain
I will give you
oba ya no wasa ko fa pictures on internet so that brain
picture na me ko twa the internet
o ma say
me ko de na me ko twa ne
we ko research na ko fa brain
I don't need the research
because one person na ka say oba ho duru ha
enye container sem ye Dubai e wo krom ha ya eti si adan I twa park ya kese play bia we dani dem ama no ho anto no anya container sam min clear no free was say
you are not doing no mo kwa kotena pop man ho
na odi kokudi ya kanya mo te ye ho
mi bisa so kotena ho
ya kampo we bia ho supermarket we bia ho
supermarket a place e be to mo ade
sabi
agwe ba di egutani no di ko di bia ho ana
eti kwaku ni boto gwa baso ani haso for
go
that to be sit to be me bono baso ani haso for kupanifo ani eduma mu di man ani so on asem no
eti po man na kono anko onye so makro gra wo onye so makro
Iraq in America one Nigeria journalist be musmano ono akwaji hotel America no dem no TV no report
Iraq
Uye. One I catch us up when to wait deal with Chinese chabra.
Mama report live from
you play at all become Chelsea. Steven Amankuna, become Chelsea, one more captain I torn. Ono no be could be miracle ketimino. You see, Nipaka also ketimino ya than lad, but unso oka blasters on. Our moko Zimbabwe for any boy.
Zimbabwe.
It's a cry after that match, no, and son of Baba Siako.
Okay, Pacho, a break a crack, me bamba, you know, Abema or Chamia Makudakwa.
Oh, yes,
and Quadu Mesa, Abram, so no Sudin baby. Anybody, answer.
Oji Poncho
didn't baby, and Mabna, yes, only men's and Aquame, men's Abram, and Mabna. It is Uncle Fui me and saying, yes, Omunadium birthdays and Antino, young wish him happy birthday.
Omna colleagues who want me.
Omuna on newsroom. Omuna on newsroom, yeah. And here we show Muna happy birthday. Yeah, on your tables, yeah. It's yes, Sarah did share the mom, Muna said. I mean, come on. No, no, 2 o'clock, they say. No. I dear second team, Milo by Yabuche. Yeah, you didn't. Where much to be?
Very, very.
And they ain't to me, I'm a town called Ayanka. I was want to
know a Charles Bisu Mammy, yes.
Charles Bisu Mammy, yes. I want to me, baby.
Okay. From Crinkle to Crinkle.
It's too much in the same.
Mino, much is
the Bianca.
The American say, young champion called Zimbabwe.
No, what should be?
No, return match in the Betcher say.
You want her no?
I'm in the bedroom. Why are they taking look at them now, I'm also. That's all I did. You are going boy, Bianco. Get me who want good. And our confidence, they want to control the lad in the own. Oh, one to mean shouting.
I football shouting.
No, defenders. Well,
I don't go for upon one go to
and was I coming? Come on, young Cagra. That's all family. You're born in this one, and I say from division goalkeeper with the Yanusi, but. Kakrebia or yeah,
opportunity na na emo bisu no bisu nya kakra ni bi
da na ma obi bia fe no akota akire o no akota akire o ntimi manenim on enti yanka say local keepers na dom ko no na dey
Timo twa ko sisa I say ya no ye kese ya no o be so tubo mu wi ansa no na na
wa ayi bafo
ya no ye kese
man bafo the dreams or more defender ya de bia what bench da na ko edim se ne kubo ya yansa amfa na mo ye osanti bench won oti o ye dey look up na kotna ho obi prayer was en ko no be bo no
small boy
we coach so no ko bo ye coach
nti na me catch us tia oti Black Stars no mfa so ni so
player bia de benya bia
na be chere sem fa so na fa ni so masa asem na so kan se
so bi on ma ye frɛ no a nya bɔ no
says ke yin
da jama pa obi mu ya de
ena oro wan ro ade do de no ba oje
o prum nya ne o sa
obo left back
yes ni bi on say e mo kokoko obo prum Jesus speaker
sorry ko
obo left back ana nipa no ho na pia nti o pia wo say ene ka opportunity kese e na wo so left back o
ene so obu ni to
a ya de ayi amatemum no central defender na be she ho
na che say o so ni va so obi asa
right back wa beda ho
I don't want to it's a team. It's a team. The coach decides who to play.
The reason I don't call any says obi baby da ho a wo be she ho obi free ho a wo be back right back ho no wa beda ho do you know so bebo no yes shift obi free position bebo ho
ya mom akonya no de omo nyom adwuma o de nya no
because say o mama this guy no moto
ko din de
obani fia o mu hu say o mo wa sa pepe o say tire do
Kevin e o Kevin so
Kevin
Calvis.
We need Dino, but
CA.
but what
KELVIS.
Director of marketing.
Dunklin. Yeah. Calvis Dunklin. Yeah.
Pink FM.
Today is my pastor.
And I say what
birthday. His name is Apostle Dr.
Today
is my pastor's birthday. Today is my pastor's birthday. His name is Apostle Dr. Richard Waffle of the Lord Pentecostal Church International.
Okay. All right.
So, Anra, we can name you call me about the machine and I say.
Okay, na me sister as Antonio so Saturday or no so na see film.
Sorry.
You be ko central
Just no videos I'm not prepared to me more
I am fan
short na gomwa fete omankrado na na OfieKwanso unza omohe na wa film no weekend no mo na ye no gomwa fete 13th akopem weekend Saturday Sunday 15th
for you 1 week 2 weeks so
we dem so mo 3-4 days.
All right,
then to wife was your weekend driver
yeah.
na ne ma me so da ho
no ne ma me na yirin onwie
serious
but me ko krom na ayi nko 41
na say ono boa no
41
atibia na say price so abitifi yes omo boa no
enye easy
omo boa no na last time
ya fa ayi ema ya boafo na ye sorry so Airtel Tigo edi tugumi so promo no aba na we na very simple sika na ye tuogu so na chese wanya bie dia efisa bre akopem the same abosumi no no baby a Ghana fana baby a no wo akwanya se onso betime winning awesome prizes every hour, every day, every week, every month. Sana the grand cash prize na kasa ne 100,000 Ghana cedis. There so ya answer be dial star 500 hash na wa recharge it 5 cedis or more. Now I build a point from recharging na fe so bundle purchase and usage you know so be mount point na fe with daily airtime no so I say no so na ATM transactions are any adina no unya more points now person increase you points now SMS trivia no so betimu de washing be no 30 pesos na just one answer simple questions now when you more points at the account on wait me in cash, so don't miss out on this one. Just dial star 500 hash to enter into the Airtel Tigo Miso promo. See men's like a cry me patro say uwinia number ba ko penny they contact to any other number biano scam aside this number 0260 000 na just also when we say really authentic papa Airtel Tigo life is simple as they do on come Kel charcoal toothpaste no so no apostle kama pa or the wrong na ya the bidie ne dia charcoal ya ammonia good fresh breath white teeth na fe amount gum no so strong and healthy and prevent cavity stains be a was so be a name be a white take ya ne ade amada da so nya no e be cleaning na or say kama pa. If it's Samara Company Limited, they are available on market, baby. Kel charcoal toothpaste or say happy smile. As they do on royal drinks, you go like kama pa. Royal apple, royal cola, royal orange, as well as royal cocktail. We know the perfect flavors now. So go on and feel the magic in your life as you enjoy royal drinks in so many flavors. 2 cities 50 pesos available in a shop near you. Shem to say another quality product if you Precon Company Limited, an ISO certified company. Bit me a friend watching the door 0262 351 251 of 0272 133 373. Then what you near the studio Go TV or say any way to me stay connected on Go TV. No, I enjoy a captivating moment on La Liga, Serie A, Premier League, other leagues. I would wanna I'll be connected from as low as 48 Ghana cedis. Wabra use my Go TV app. Go TV, love it. In boost herbal mixture, police nedu no papa. And also ebow. Now immune system let me ejina banane. Ya rebia ba na no akanechi one time. Now we now so. We know enya dia o yare ada ho. Isan say a man immune system no den infections be about system no kwa na fight against it. Abre enyina. Ti bomode ape bi a kwan. na ebebo ye pa obenya bia to Kings Walk Herbal, Ekus Pharmacy, Wedama Pharmacy, Tribe of Judah Pharmacy, alternative and dependable herbal shops across the country. I feel Health Elect Shop St. John's, and I'll call Little George Health Shop and also Tema Community 5 for Abenyabi and yes, our free 0243 115 948 and 0246 208 496. Na dudu pia unye biano yam fan somo kama na bibia nso intimi enko ye emfa emao uguso awutie 106.3 FM. Now a quick reminder for October busumi in relation to Go TV, and then Go TV is October it is full of endless and captivating drama. Ninyina say Go TV about the home of Europa Conference League in Team Patrol. Remember say a day cry with your favorite football stars. Go TV brings you boundless novellas ahodo pina and they obaba be share a strange love and I feel Mariam Khan on Star Life and I feel Perfect Husband and Money Merchant on Z World I de Ebro on Go TV and I feel Lolis Luck on Telemundo and also Adriagu. Now for more mind-blowing local series, no any movies about modern Etratum, Africa Magic Family, and I feel Africa Magic Epic, and now Rock GH, who now I better rock your come up. Now, if you are yearning for more football action there, and now we've got you covered because you are La Liga, EPL, Dutch, Belgian, and then Scottish leagues need now. So you go on Go TV. So rush now for your new Go TV decoder set. At a reduced price of 89 Ghana cedis. Obet me out to a new decoder with an SMS and also SMS Go TV to the short code 1731. That's 1731. You best sort you out. Come on. Equally with me out download my Go TV app now one manage your account with ease. Terms and conditions apply. Go TV. Love it. And so and come on and no. Abusha NCBano Jinkra to na fame. The Akalina yede atwaso the amount na we all say happy birthday do belated and comma Vicentia J and the message here says may the blessings of the Lord be your portion and all your heart desires come to pass with much love from your uncle Mr. Nicholas Akwe Anan or a transmission site a for multimedia and odin Kratoi Ebaye na eno echi no we say so or say Ochame you better run rama ya butela bia be kama I say happy birthday enko Emma Eben Kwabna Chum Edu aka BMJ or say if I know of another word of humility and diligence then it is BMJ. Such an amazing supporting man and an essential hope of inspiration from Scoffrey and the family. Wishing you a happy birthday. And dear Twasu Ahayinshi. Okay, we so I say Jerry. Okay. I say please wish our mom, Mrs. Juliana Owusu Free. St. James Catholic Church Osu, and then our sister Mrs. Nana Ama Matekwao, ICGC Stone Temple Laboni, a happy birthday today. May God continue to bless and protect them from your daughters-in-law and grandchildren as well. Abusia yentwa ho na fe ye ba yemfa de aka no ento aso.
Ghana hadie to go me so nyum no no bia de sao if se Airtel Tigo sikenso no pitibu obia so go me so Airtel Tigo piti free cash data ne community a wo be friend network bia ego bia so don hwere bia de bia sa kosi December e wo to go me so promo no mo na chede abotin won so anka se esisiwo no 100,000 Ghana cedis cash ane 100,000 Ghana cedis mo but star 500 hash recharge na kwaswa fa Airtel Tigo di ujuma bia na wetimi abekani pampempema wo be win sika be bro 1 million Ghana cedis no enti wo trend dia iwonia but star 500 hash is here.
Airtel Tigo, life is simple.
Hey!
season yadro imbu saba mesa amama hoaden
refuse to grow any offense wa beka ho
ahoaden immune system o nyankopon e de awura ni padua no musam moye ho ban no enna sa wonom imbu saba mesa e pagya immune system na bribia ya yare antimiu sese de amanfo dodo no na di imbu saba mesa dodo ho adanse yesen enyarewa horo anipa enyina etimi ba ne so ene nyarewa kese anka ya wuti ni din ene ho ka na oyemu ahyew nyina no ebo ye ho ban afiri ho enna wo mpo a omo wanyarewa ne dada na omo nom doctor enuro no ennom imbu saba mesa no a emo mo ahoden pintin ya omo ntimpo se yare ahye omo ho imbu saba mesa ewo kanshi ene o mai mu bebeye.
Oh boy, no one is soon. Chalemeni ho. As I say, me rush through fear see games were ho. Nothing Thursday. Nanka say the Go TV Thursday say the rough. UEFA Europa League and Daso and the UEFA Conference League in Sutia. Wow, when now Go TV so. Nanka, Minia. Go TV live with the 89 Ghana cedis being decoder. Now upgrade called Go TV Max so now we enjoy games nini na. Switch called Go TV. Essence Go TV na Europa. Any conference league fee. Hey, now where Jamie came here. Sell the auto new decoder. Text the Go TV cost short code 1731 and now stay connected. Now manage your account from my Go TV app no so. And she share a crowd. Go TV, love it.
Sami sorry no pa. Kale Chaco toothpaste na me de twitwi me se. E ma me confidence. The money nyina.
Se wushia ama na me sifite guso na mesre a. Eya wanwan me de Kale Chaco toothpaste. Ene twitwi me se. Obo ade ni pa e wo bidie mu no. Ene e dia ye Kale Chaco toothpaste. E boy sen ho ban e free mowa e boy sen mu tokro. E se ahye ene enumunka. Sure say amani Kale Chaco toothpaste so nie. Yet center for.
Me dia magic Kale Chaco toothpaste atubu. Me issue na no pa. Ya na dwa me kodano. E ma me sinye fita. Confidence level kwaso. Entibi na ma. Da me si 32 ni na guso.
Enkane no ane ma me num di bidie twitwiri yense no. Asaya bebie mu o. Bidie wo Kale Chaco toothpaste mu no. MSC fita. E ma na hoden ne sayi nkabia. Ma wonum ye hwam. Enunti mo amonom coffee, wine, any tobacco e kamo seso no. Abama mo Kale Chaco toothpaste. Sankofa yenchi.
Kale, happy smile.
FDA aje ejodi nkrato ya tomo.
Introducing Glovo, the app that delivers anything you want. When you're missing the right ingredient for your wonderful meal, order Glovo and wow, the ones you love. Download the Glovo app today, and when you need anything, order Glovo and we'll deliver it in minutes.
Anopabia num Hollandia Evap milk. Vitamin B12 ne calcium wom na ne gumunu so akono. Hollandia Evap milk man opaye de papa. Ejedi nkratu yi FDA agiatum. Hollandia no paye
Gino Magic Pepper on a tomato mix. Gino Magic Pepper.
New Gino Magic Pepper and Onion is a delicious blend of tomato, pepper and onion. That means no grinding, no blending. Ya yening in dada. Super Nedrian no abbing. And everyone loves it too.
And Kwaniya Dankasa.
This jollof eat the go on.
Mommy, I want more food. Me too.
Make delicious meals in no time with the new Gino Magic Pepper and Onion. The magic that brings them home. This advert is FDA approved.
Abra yeguswa de nkabom ekwatia COVID-19 yi. Ecobank ma wa kwanya hodo a wode betena fie. Abon ho ban na watumi de usikasem ahyewa wonsem. Fa Ecobank mobile didra bebia ne abrebia. Se wo Ecobank account ana woni bie. For text message ana email so forma ne sika. To credit, to our bills. Abra wuti fie edwodwo ho. Se ye sika buduo na oni didra. For your internet banking no so. Ecobank QR code ma okwan ma ofa abefo siketua kwan so. Etua ne ma no dwumadi awo ahodoɔ ka womfa sika pɔtee entua twe EcoBank mobile ɛnɛ ya wɔ Google Play Store, App Store, anaa yɛn Facebook page, anaa bɔ *770# ɛwɔ phone biara so na hyɛ aseɛ di dwa. EcoBank dwene wo ho kae sɛ wobɛma kwan ada wo ne afoforɔ ntam ɛyɛ ataa ahohoro wo nsa ɛna afei ɛmfa wo nsa nkeka w'anim.
Sɛ wohia mmoa bi a frɛ EcoBank Contact Center ɛwɔ 0800 003225 a wontua hwee anaa frɛ ɔmo ɛwɔ 0302 213 999
Abusia yes ayon mama bedru anuanom ayon mamoja ayon ye aduane dru a ema hoden bibi wo ho a ye frɛ no iron deficiency anemia
ɛno nso yɛ dien
sɛ ɛnkyɛ no wabrɛ ne wani so chinwa ebia na yɛ iron deficiency anemia
Eyampa me nurse iron deficiency anemia hatitue ma wontwa wo ne mmofra wonni mfie num etumi sɛ won adesua ne won apɔmuden di no dem
pepe that's when so anobranye den kra di nnuane a iron wom ti sɛ kontomre abedro esuomunam ayoyo kosua
anka ɛso vitamin C nnuane nra ɛboa bubu iron ma wo moja tumi di yɛ adwuma
di nnuane a iron ahyɛ mu ma ne nnuane a yɛhyɛ dade iron egum yie bisa wapɔmuden boafo nsɛm a ɛfa iron ho live strong with iron campaign ɛna di sang
adwoa me ni panisi opese obeye me ho adi o eni jesam kai me na me fa jama soap 15 boxes enka enioma obeto no ho why mom she abri biara obetena se wo si enioma no wonyonko ba ko pa ebema untade efi na aye hwehwehwam eni jama soap bisa o papa na se me hu se da wo ma we sin
ye jama detergent powder foforo na di hwe ni mu FDA je adwedi nkra to ya tumu
Jadie wo Malcolm aye kese na asanso aye sonko kra.
Every say, Malcolm nkwani dwadi bia obenya nyoma mpempem ato faako a womre ho kra.
Ene se Malcolm wo efie ne ejade nyoma na edi siesie edan mu.
Furniture ho, electricals, ni aye die, ni aye hye, eno nti Jadie wo Malcolm aye ndika pa.
Afei kai na hye no so se, emra ne hye kakra wo ho.
Malcolm, where Ghana shops.
Introducing Glovo, the app that delivers anything you want. When you're missing the right ingredient for your wonderful meal, order Glovo and wow, the ones you love. Download the Glovo app today, and when you need anything, order Glovo and we'll deliver it in minutes.
Ghana hadie to go me so nyum no ano bia de sawo efri se Airtel Tigo sikanso no pitibu obia so go me so Airtel Tigo piti free cash data ne community a wo de be friend network bia ego bia so don hwere bia de bia sa kosi December e wo to go me so promo no mo na chede abotin wanwaso anka se esisiwo no e 100,000 Ghana cedis cash ane 100,000 Ghana cedis mo but star 500 hash recharge na koswa fa Airtel Tigo di ujuma bribia na wetimi abekani pampempema wo be wini sika be bro 1 million Ghana cedis no enti wo trend dia iwonia but star 500 hash is here.
Airtel Tigo, life is simple.
Charlie, this game is my game. Oh. Watch me. I will win today. Today is my turn. Go! Even when I won the last time, the people didn't want to give me all my money at once. What is that? Oh no, my guy. With soccer bets, you never have to wait. They pay you the same day, no matter the amount. That is why I always bet with them. No installment, no hassle, no delay. With soccer bets, bet on the best odds. Win up to 1 million Ghana cedis and get your money instantly. No delay, no hassle, no installments. Take your money now. Soccer bet, your best bet for sports betting.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. Bet responsibly. Gaming can be addictive, not for persons below 18 years.
Munia, yet to unlimited course of Vodafone Red so no one yana.
Jack, me too no expiry of Vodafone Red.
Hey, star 200 hash me wa. Hey, Matthias here, when you be what?
Vodafone Red, no lie. Koko to me top man do you be kasako e browse it.
Vodafone Red, star 200 hash system. Cecilia, ye kasako no ne browse. Star 200 hash, ma we unlimited course ko Vodafone to Vodafone so. Data boom full. Talk time be bria we be friend now for 4 more other network so. We and Sado, a bonnet da from now no sika home fast one so. Vodafone ready dear, unyo, but star 200 hash. No you package ya a yamau, a free one Ghana city aircraft. Vodafone.
After 3-minute clinics designed to help you resolve the to build or buy dilemma, EcoBank Cities and Habitats and Joy News now bring you the main event of the EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair 2021. This year's fair, the 12th edition, assembles an even greater number of exhibitors offering a lot more variety in quality housing options from materials through to housing accessories, landed properties as well as financing to help you either buy, build, spec, rent or rent to own. It's the EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair 2021 powered by the Planned City Extension Project from Cities and Habitat at the Accra International Conference Center from Wednesday 27th to Sunday 31st October 2021 from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. day. You can also follow us on our social media platforms with the hashtag Joy Habitat Fair. The EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair is in partnership with EcoBank, the Pan-African Bank, and powered by the Planned City Extension Project from Cities and Habitat, Rent to Own. Sponsored Elegant Homes and General Construction, where quality meets value. DBS Industries Limited, we truly are your roof experts. Duraplast, where Duraplast goes, water flows. Renters Paradise, we help people and properties find each other. Gold Key Properties, building prestige since 1997. And Anki's Home Decor, your home sorted. EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair, everything housing.
Samisoria no pa. Kale Chaco toothpaste na me de missing. And mommy confidence. The morning in
Se wushia ama na misifite gusuna mesrea. Eya wanwa me de Kale Chaco toothpaste. Ene twitwi missing. Oba de ni pa e wo bidie mu no. Ene e dia ye Kale Chaco toothpaste. E boy sin ho ban e free mowa e boy sin mu tokro. E se ahye ene enumunka. Sure say amani Kale Chaco toothpaste so nie. Yet center for.
Media magical Chaco toothpaste at tubu. Me issue na no pa. Na dwa me kodano. E ma me sin ye fita. Confidence level kwaso. Enti bi na ma. Na me sin 32 ni na guso.
Enkane no ane ma me num di bidie twitwi yense no. Asaya bebie mu o. Bidie wo Kale Chaco toothpaste mu no. E ma sin ye fita. E ma na hoden. Ne sayi nka bia. Ma wanum ye hwam. Enu nti mo amonom coffee, wine, any tobacco e kamo seso no. Abama mo Kale Chaco toothpaste. Sankofa yenchi.
Kale, happy smile.
FDA aji ejodi nkrato ya tomo.
OfieKwanso with the me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
We don't come mess up, we come to enjoy. And you can't turn ahead in motion. We come plus convoy. We know the cool down.
I thank God for another week. Opening of Irenchi of Sunum Presby singing band is 89 years old today. Wishing you a happy birthday from Bequin Irenchi family and our son Bequin family. You know, and a happy birthday going out to Gladys of Takwa Abosu. workout container and an old student of our PAM SHS. Let me wish you all the success that you truly deserve in life. May you stay blessed as always. Happy birthday going out to you. Enjoy your day. And this one is coming in from Nana and Kwantabiza. Happy birthday, do belated and come on, Mrs. Catherine Ansa, well known as Auntie Kate, CEO of All Shall Pass Fashions, Kumono Township, Honawo. And then another one to Auntie the same name. Auntie Kate from Auntie Maggie. And Stephen O. Charlie. Dance you need. We also say happy birthday going out to Peter Osei Danso of Habitat Asofan from Rita Mensa and the entire family. And then this one here also says a happy birthday going out to Mrs. Linda Asari, your boy aka Mrs. Clay of Habitat Asofan Clay Pharmacy. Rita Mensa and then Mr. Asari Abua FDA and then all workers of Clay Pharmacy from OG Poncho, who is also celebrating his birthday today. Okay, last one now for Mami Boating Transname for a fella and sorry Medina. So I'll say a happy birthday going out to Madame Agnes Sheiwa Opoku aka Sisi Che. You are 86 years old today. May God continue to bless you and give you more strength from your children, Dr. Samuel Kweku Boateng, Mrs. Mercy J, Mr. Joseph Boateng, Madame Dora Abna Boateng, Isaac Dako, Nicholas Akwe Anan of Multimedia Transmission Site. I wish you a happy birthday. Okay, Abuja baby, I do know. Ebrena son say your borum na ye de fella etwaso e ma na make say mami boot at transe na mami boot to transe there. Mami boat.
Roger.
Yeah, good evening, say.
Good evening.
Say bibia she
oh, yeah, me not
oh, look sweet and sexy and nice. Sometimes both will be obey.
Na mabun kon salary was a any time madam. Na endano Roger you home.
Na your friends say African why around there.
Why ready?
Again. Be
the story no mama phone in chat at
okay.
Now amazing can you won't car Akufo do neba the third girl no head winner.
Yeah.
Padayama congratulations.
Yeah.
Na ya sha
never put you on Nancy Pao.
Na
papa no moves.
Obi ring to me can I say za me peda me kire nyina anye there or ye yan mampanyin Ekufu Adom. Nana na ba besia na third was in the third girl mo fa no Edwina na endano na o worry Rajeri na Rajeri wa asamo so many there e braba no nyim power na Gihawk distilleries neba wo fa no Kofi Juma aha ono uno wole raba no na Rajeri azukwazimo azukwazim
monkeys play by size.
I bet this can you our orienfu bi na ba right you know you move him so when you move him on see sika azukazimo Rajeri hey since I'm me change my friends as I said me change my association because I don't know yes it's a hard now Harry no wife you're worrying me na nyanko no connect no Rajeri mo po trust every na say when akofo no will make good connections biara ma me sister friends because azukwazum this time azukwazum papa na Rajeri say ehwe pictures are about Next videos about her. They did something simple. Something simple.
Yeah. In fact, the wedding was. It was very, very simple. Even on Montadi Shemunumukra, the how do you call it? The deco. I mean, everything was simple.
Simple.
Everything was simple. BBI was very simple. I can say
Nanka by now, the cake cabilusu. The cake if you sell rubber. Bradery. Go Nanka saw Shannon about 30,000. You know, Gary Sokins.
Yeah. In fact, this is very simple and nice. More went to me review over the weekend. I mean, picture no, I'm to wait to me.
Say, what's so good to know about Mammy, a Kobe and you, madam. Well, you men friend you per thousand.
Pressure, man.
Man from one. Oh, you know, special invitation for the wedding of Bush Africa.
Yeah.
Oh. Na mami jensi honom na na Instagram ana brother him ko to the down the patapa ma me be the penyin nye when the shape will release a new people say haters na mazaka krabe interno me pede one take akra na wabo was no stream ama wujafo
okay
on the chawa
yo say man I got my car, yo. I got my shoe, yo. I got my house, yo. I got everything. Got the power with it. We'll put it with it. Go,
okay. I said, I got my what?
I got my car, yo. I got my shoe, yo. I got my house, yo. I got everything.
Patapa.
That's the patapa, but not just a wabble brand area. When you're signing my name.
Brother, young button, you have patapani too. It's also started doing the job. Now,
if I talk video need to go on Facebook and do that to me, I'll share.
Kill me.
Yo, man. I got my car, yo. I got my shoe, yo. I got my house, yo. I got everything.
Yo.
Power with it. With it.
Spot student. I love this guy. Sure, fun was Peasy.
Peasy won't kill us.
He did do insane until be a case.
Mopo wane chawa uncle here, mama brother hates side. Masra na Adam where one corner no 1 year scope to man and my hand and pop. Now, but see her day. I want more of the stories now called them online. A benya or honomna, I can be as a home. Sure. What's the front door? President for the Brothers and Sisters Association. Masordo.
Yeah, I say first was Vodafone saying the Good Morning offer no Abba and the Good Morning bundle gives you unlimited calls to Vodafone numbers, 5 minutes talk time to all networks. That's the other networks, and then 500 MB of data. And the bundle works with any other bundle you have or will subscribe to. So just call the short code 543 or dial *543# to subscribe to the Vodafone Good Morning offer for just one Ghana city. Terms and conditions apply. Vodafone, together we can. I was going to take note, say, the Rich Oko SA competition Uguswa Koso den patrol closing date in the 11th Nyame Adom on the 15th of October and a baby and 2 young Troya but what they are true because cash no you are writing an essay addressing the Minister of Lands and Natural Resources on the effect of illegal mining on cocoa farms. Now I stated the importance of cocoa to Ghanaians. That's simple. Uti ya ubitimi nyeska 100,000 Ghana cedis ya eche ubenya ochefom 10,000 cedis cash for yourself, 10,000 cedis for your school, your educational materials. Their mom come party. Troll there now. Post if I call here, Dental Post Office and Cross Central Post Office and Chimota Post Office, Malcolm Outlet, Okaneshi, East Legon, Tishi, Tema, Frafraha, Madina, La Paz, and Afe Kissiman, Hunina, Genius Abitimia Milidia called the National Essay Competition. That's the Richoku National Essay Competition, PO Box AF 851 Adenta Accra. Kaise closing date for submission of entries the 15th of October 2021. Open further details are just visit the Cadbury Richoku Facebook and Instagram pages. Now be more filler terms and conditions apply. Tiana washenoso edia mayen. ɛno ɛho asɛm ɛno no mɛma awerɛ mfiri so sɛ October ɛmu a ɛdɛ dendenden paa ɛwɔ ɛyɛ DSTV so yɛma 10 reasons to stay on DSTV. Reason number 1 is say akɔfa ɛyɛ season 2 of Sankofa Brɛ Africa Magic and afei exclusive Europa Conference Europa and then Conference League matches and also Ebrel where Super Sport and afei the new season of Real Housewives of Beverly Hills and so on One Magic and afei the unbeatable DSTV app here no boy multi manage your account no while watching BB on the move and afei fresh box office movies every week here no so the reason is DSTV catch up no hold them out say be on miss any episode be of your favorite series I'll be to me as and afei so premium subscribers they be your Showmax added for free. 8th reason is a compact and as a compact plus subscribers will be your Showmax for 50% and after the 9th one on captivating and educational kids content here the bro and the final reason and they say enjoy EPL La Liga and after Serie A games nina review you know it's in patcho bomodian say obe send a DSTV they are called a 1731 na also yet me a connector with me enya a DSTV decoder with installation and 1-man access for only 169 Ghana cedis and I'll bet me I agree to compact reference for an additional 108 cedis. DSTV this is your moment. Stoneboy trick the thing you abusua DC ana ye de enwumre no nsia ka se ba to aso nyame ya adom a ochina
that's caught us unaware but there's one thing I really want
sign where she are
recorded on the stolen phone. Speaking of
nah yes sorry so akono I'll say happy birthday and comma Zendaya Ariel it they say Ariel say Ariel inso na Botele Alabi may your days be filled with goodness, happiness, prosperity and long life. We love you from Mr. and Mrs. Alabi, Grandma and then Jamestown J. Cole. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, on that note, let's check our time. Yes, right, so the new see a case about us. Yami Adom China, a sign where she be me phenomena and copiums of when you see a see ya. Now, sample for J. Any on the way. Fonton from Monday, you see a case about it twice. As I can say, come on, money tonight. Now, being common producers, no Papa Bills, African, Jamestown, Jaco, now sample for J. Kwame Oboa, dear, will be a boy, Fenton Frame, and our fame, Mammy Boots. Your friend, Jerry Justice. Assembly about